G'day guys, Greg here. Now today I'm on my way to Domino's. They brought out a series of new pizzas and there's one I really wanted to try, the Atomic Meats. Now this one has got 2 chilies, so I'm expecting it to be pretty spicy. Anyway, let's whip on into Domino's, suss it out and see what the Atomic Meats pizza is like. Let's go! Alright, well here we go, the new Atomic Meats pizza from Domino's. This one will set you back $15. It's one of their traditional ones. Anyway, has it got some weight about it? Well, let's find out when I chuck it on the scales. Okay, let's see if I can read this. Alright, well that's saying 611 grams. The box is normally 120 grams, so 611 minus 120, it's about 490 grams. That's a pretty decent size, mate. That's nearly half a kilo of Domino's. Anyway, let's suss it out and see what toppings we get on this bad boy. Oh man, that looks spicy. Now the Atomic Meats pizza is their ultra spicy pizza loaded with smoked ham, seasoned ground beef, pepperoni, tomato, capsicum and fiery jalapeños, all topped with a super spicy chili and habanero sauce. Dang! My balloon knot is clenching just at the thought of what sort of trauma it's going to go through. So we can see the ham and ground beef and the jalapenos. Oh boy, they look spicy and you can smell the spice in it too. And then with this chili sauce and the habanero sauce on this, oh no, my poor balloon knot. Better stop in at the shops and buy a big load of toilet paper. Now I do want to try like this spicy sauce. It's looking spicy indeed. And I am slightly scared. It is very spicy. It's kind of vinegary tasting. Like a Frank's hot sauce. But very spicy. Quite rich in flavour. And not too bad. Well, as far as spice goes, I mean, it is burning my mouth and my tongue and my throat, but it's bearable so far. So far. And these jalapenos are supposed to be fiery too. They trying to hospitalise me or something? Had a sort of fishy flavour, like a calamari ring. But, oh, yeah, they do have a real kick to them. Oh, and the fishy flavour, that's disappeared. I don't know what was going through my mind then. Maybe I was sort of hoping that I was eating a fish and chips instead. But anyway, how about we'll see if there's any peaches stretch. I very much doubt it because it took me a long time to find a park today. It's impossible to get a park nowadays. So if there is any pizza stretch, I'll be absolutely amazed. Let's see. It tried. It really did. Anyway, just want to say to my back date, sayonara. Well, I thought I tasted pineapple then. And pineapple on this would have been perfect. Oh, wish it came with pineapple. Or wish I'd realised I should have added some. Maybe if you get one of these, add some pineapple. Because straight away, that's all I tasted that I wish it did have. But yeah, the first bite in, I mean, it's spicy in my mouth, but it's not too bad. Well, I'm getting used to the heat now. It is quite saucy with all that sauce on it, but that adds for some extra moisture and, well, ease of chewing, that's for sure. This bit is extra saucy. Oh, that sauce can be overpowering, but when you're getting a super double chili hot spicy pizza, what do you expect? And that's the problem with spicy chilies. The chili really does drown out the flavour of all the other ingredients, and in this case, this is what's happening with it. It is drowning out the flavour of the beef and the ham and capsicum and cheese, pastry, pretty much everything. But it still tastes all right. So I wonder what score I'd give it out of 10. Well, value-wise, $15 for this pizza. Well, considering one of their value range pizzas is $7 to $8, I don't really see the value in this. Sure, it's got a few extra toppings, but $7 worth? I don't think that value is very good. Although it is half a kilo nearly of food, so what do you reckon? Flavour-wise, well, of course, silly old me goes for the spiciest one again, and whenever you have spice, but it just takes away the flavour of all the ingredients. All I'm tasting is the chili sauce and the spiciness and everything, and the spiciness isn't too bad actually. It is spicy. It will burn your throat and your tongue, but it's not too bad. It is quite bearable. I suppose it just tastes exactly like all their other pizzas, except spicier. And you can't really taste it because it's spicier. Well, if you want spicy, then, mate, you're going to get it with this pizza. It's a decent size and affordable. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score, for the Atomic Meats pizza, beware your balloon knot, I'm going to give this up. Yeah, I'll give it a 6 out of 10. I mean, it tastes alright. It just tastes like all their other pizzas, and, well, it is very spicy, and if you want spicy, then go for it. And of course, if you don't, then you'd be a fool to get this one. I wouldn't be getting it again. I think I'd go for something a little bit tamer. Maybe if I wanted some spice, add some of those free chili flakes on it. But, I mean, it tastes alright, and if you're into spice and you like meats and stuff, then if you do get one, you're probably going to like it. Anyway, I think I'll be heading to the shops now to get a 24-pack of 3-ply Quiltons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I eat at Domino's. See you then.
Oh, mate, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the review